So it's not the classic blue skies that we're used to and the 35-degree temperature. It actually started raining a little bit just now. As you can tell by Phoebe's hair. You kind of like it?
How did your hair stay so dry?
I know.
Yeah, I kind of like it. It reminds me of home. I took a picture the other day on my camera roll. Danny was looking at my photos. He was like, why did you take a picture of that? And it's just like your average Australian road with a grey sky. And I was like, oh, sent it to my family chat.
Yeah, but today we actually have quite an interesting day ahead of us. We are going to, don't know where actually, we'll have to let you know when we check the maps.
Somewhere in
Perth. Somewhere East Perth, and we're going to go and look at possibly buying a camper van. So we've got a little appointment queued up with someone we found on Facebook.
Yeah.
Matched our description. They took an offer from us, so we're hoping that we can go and it looks good and we can buy it.
Hoping it looks as good as the pictures.
Yeah, it does look perfect, and we're hoping it's not too good to be true. We're hoping we're not getting scammed.
Yes.
Which is a big thing here.
The fact
but
that we're meeting in real life is a really good sign.
Yeah, because they normally try and get you to pay before you meet.
But the deal almost seems too good to be true.
Yeah, so we're going to go and have a look. You're going to see the van with us. Hopefully we end up maybe not driving it home today because we do need to wait for money to transfer from our English account, so maybe in a couple of days. But that will all be in this video, don't worry. You don't need to go anywhere. So after a pretty long bus journey, about an hour and a bit, we are in Welsh Pools, which is really close to where we used to live.
It's our old end.
Old.
We actually went straight past our old road.
Yeah, it was quite nice.
Oh yeah, old road.
Reminiscing. Thinking we got it a little bit better now in South Korea.
Yeah.
Bit of a
And it's
nicer
always
place.
cloudy when we're here.
Yeah, that's true actually.
It's funny.
You were doing a bit of research on the bus about rust.
Yeah, I nearly fell asleep.
Got anything
Bored myself
exciting
to
to
death.
tell us?
Yes, I think I know the difference between surface rust and structural rust.
There you go.
So we don't want anything that's flaking or you can poke a hole for it, basically.
Yeah. Nice.
So yeah, we'll have a little look at the undercarriage. I think we have to look at the wheel arches and like the door panels, mainly.
Cool.
I don't know. Stay tuned.
Yeah. So we bought a van.
Well, we paid a deposit.
Well, yeah, no, we bought a
We've
van.
got it.
We're literally
We've got
now
it.
just waiting for two things: our money to land from our England bank account to our Australian bank account, so we can pay him, and also he's gonna top up the gas in the aircon for us.
Yeah.
So he's a lovely guy. He's a mechanic who basically took the van on like a year ago in probably less of a good condition, fixed it up, and it looks like perfect now.
Yeah.
No rust anywhere. The paint's perfect.
It's honestly incredible. There's
Yeah.
a few teeny, like tiny dents.
Yeah, and a
tiny
few
bits
like
of
rips in
surface
the fabric or
and the
whatever.
chairs and stuff, but yeah, really minor things.
Yeah, we got a very good price as well, and it's a skeleton, so we are going to do it all ourselves, and that's going to be this video series probably.
Yeah, it'll be
Doing
really
up our
cool.
van. Yeah.
We're lucky. We've got like the luxury of time.
Yeah.
With our tenancy ends in May.
May, so we have like
So-
4 or 5 months of
Yeah.
living in a house before we have to live in the van.
Weekend project.
Yeah, so we need to sort a bed, storage, a battery,
Yeah.
solar panels, all of which we've already started researching. He's actually said he'll help us fitting anything as well,
Yeah.
which is good.
Just so excited.
He's warranted it for 3 months for us and his all of his own work.
Yeah.
Very exciting. So we have a van. A lot of you have been telling us we need to have a car or a van to travel Australia properly, and we can now.
Even just being able to drive it to work next week
Yeah.
will be so
It's
nice.
the little things. But
Not
yeah,
getting
hopefully
the
we're
best.
going to pick it up on maybe Wednesday or Thursday after work.
Yeah.
That'll be the next part of this video. So we're going to leave you now, but stay watching because in about 7 seconds, you're probably going to see us picking up a van. It is 7 days later. We had a bit of heartbreak because our van fell through in the end. It had a few extra problems that weren't noticed when we paid the deposit. The guy who was selling it frustratingly decided to put the price up by 2.5 grand, which was like too much for us, and a lot more than the repairs probably were as well. So in the end he refunded our deposit. We've obviously lost a week, but luckily we have time on our side, and we're off to look at another van. So what do we know about this one?
It's a common camper van here in Australia. It's
Yep.
a 2005 Mitsubishi Express.
Nice.
And it's kind of kitted out on the inside with a bed and all your usual stuff like your batteries and things.
Which
Plus a
was
couple
going
of
to be,
surfboards.
surfboards, guitar. That was going to be one of the big expenses, was going to be the battery and the solar panels and stuff.
Yeah.
So this one, as an example, would save us a lot of money in that department. We'd obviously probably still want to rip everything out, give it a good clean,
Yeah.
maybe change some bits or whatever, but
Definitely.
let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll have a little look and we'll see
Yeah.
if we like it.
And see how well it runs as well, because the only thing is it's got quite high kilometres. The
Yeah.
flies are back. So yeah, we'll see. But even if we don't end up going for it, I think it's just good experience
look
for
at the
us
market.
to go, negotiate,
Yeah.
see the process of
See what
buying
you
a
can get
van,
for
like,
a set amount of money.
try and assess the rust and all these different things.
Yeah.
So
Let's have a
I'll
look.
let you know.
So it seemed great. The mileage is higher than the other van
Yeah.
by about 100,000. It's on like 340,000
Yeah.
kilometres, and it's put together well.
Yeah.
It's got a battery, solar panel, 2
Structurally,
surfboards.
it seems good too.
Yeah, it's not too rusty, stuff like that. Like no real dents or anything like that. It drives pretty good. We gave a test spin.
Clutch is a bit.
Yeah, the clutch is quite heavy, but it's equally something we would get used to. So I think we're gonna think about it, see if we can barter the price a little bit, and that'll probably make us a bit more keen.
Yeah.
But yeah, 2 lovely guys as well who have been in
Yeah,
there for 8
really
months,
nice.
and they were very honest as well.
And they've spent quite a bit on it as well. They were showing
Yeah.
us the receipts, and the timing belt, which is quite expensive, was recently replaced.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we want to give them a fair offer that's not too low.
Yeah,
But I think for us at the price it is at the moment with its age, it's just a little bit high.
yeah. So we'll just see what else is out there. Maybe we'll come back to them.
Yeah.
So it's been another 6 days now.
Yes.
What we would normally show you is we're off to go and view another van, but we thought, why not just cut the small talk and introduce you to Pepper.
Camper!
Welcome to our new van. This is Pepper. We'd like you to meet Pepper. The reason why it's called Pepper is because the first van that we put the deposit on and didn't get had the number plate GIP, which is in reverse is pig, which is obviously Pepper. It's very windy. Oh. But yeah, we are here with our van.
Yeah, this number plate didn't have a good, like you couldn't really make anything out of it.
Yeah,
So we just
so
thought
we're stuck with Pepper.
She's in our hearts.
Yeah,
You know, we got
exactly.
excited about Pepper before.
Yeah.
So.
But yeah, we've got
Pepper
exciting things with this van. We're obviously going to take it all around Australia. We have the luxury of time. We have the luxury of time on our hands. Whoa.
It's actually really annoying.
I'm going to just hold this. So, what we're planning on doing, because we have our accommodation for a few more months, so
Yeah.
we want to redo the van a little bit. It's in really good driving condition. There's a few things we'd like to do, like maybe lower the bed a bit
So you can get your head.
and maybe make it into like a sofa bed that flips out, so we can kind of have like
that would be good.
like maybe an eating space if it's cold or full of mosquitoes outside. It comes with a guitar, so we now have 2 guitars. This guitar's better, so maybe we ditch the other one. It's also got a nicer colour, that one. But yeah, I think we're just
to enjoy it.
in awe.
We're actually so excited. We've got a van.
And that's going to be a new series. We're going to obviously do up the van, show you everything we're doing to it, take
the
it loads
Australian
of places.
dream.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make some curtains and bits.
That'll maybe like hang some bits from the ceiling, like draping or something like that. Loads of ideas. We're gonna make it look awesome, and we're gonna tell you along the way how much we spend on it as well. So the van we bought was $7,500, which is a very good deal from a very nice Spanish guy who basically just needed to get out of the country. Like his selling process was going on a bit, so he knocked a big discount. We got in there first, just bought it straight away just because it looks great.
Yeah, he's such a lovely guy.
Yeah, he seemed quite like emotional when he was leaving the van, so it was obviously a good van. But yeah, we're just ready to give it its next part of the journey.
Yeah, and if you've got any tips or tricks
or places to visit, as we always say,
how to do up plans, anything, do drop it in the comments.
Yeah, we're open to anything. But yeah, it's lovely to introduce you to Pepper. We're now gonna sort of start planning in our heads what we're gonna do. We've already actually bought some bits, but anything we do to the van, we're gonna show you guys, a little series. But yeah,
I'm gonna try and do it from second-hand stuff.
Yeah, unless it's electronics that are a bit like dodgy to buy second-hand. Everything's going to be thrifted or picked up for free.
We can drive.
Oh, my neck's hurting.
We can pick up stuff on the side of the road now that we have a van.
Yes,
and
which is a big thing in Australia.
We can drive to big like furniture charity shop outlets.
Yeah. The mattress is actually comfy.
It's really comfy. I did bring a tape measure with me so we can start measuring up.
Smart. We have driven to Coogee to get some nice shots, but it was way too windy to use the drone, so they probably look a bit rubbish. But you're going to see. Yeah, that's going to be such a good way to wake up when we're living here. Yeah. We did try and go down to South Beach, but it was just full of campervans already, and it's like 11 a.m. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Look forward to showing you loads more of this little bad boy. Bad girl, Pepper.
We should change the horn to...
Yeah. Second hand.
Peppa Pig.
But thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you want to see the journey continue. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.